kagandahan. Part 2 ng ating Supra. So yan, na-remove na nila yung lahat ng old matte PPF sa sasakyan. And then they're starting to wrap it. Kuya Sam, how are you?
Hi, good morning. I'm good.
So you see, this is a black matte PPF. How are you, TJ?
Good. Good, good.
Ako ba? Ay, ano ka gawin? Ikaw,
Wala tayo din, madam.
ikaw hampok ka.
Aray ko.
Ano? Birthday mo? Ito nga pala guys, kung kami man kayo mabobomba, ito yung pangsalab namin. Ito lang. Wala lang yung boing, boing. So ayan, kita niyo naman, ang ganda niya. And let's see later kung hanggang saan sila matatapos. This is part 2 guys. Hila guys, hila. Put it yourself. Get someone here. Superman to. Super cute pala.
Ang dami na.
Yung hindi natin ng filter.
Tama lang guys. Ayun. Yan na lang mga kapatid. Ayun, Mike.
Barbie ka Barbie. Barbie. So as you can see, masyadong malaki yung bonnet niya. Medyo nahihirapan ng ating mga katauhan. Dahil ang laki ng bonnet. Guys. Uy, yung araw. Hindi ko na yung araw. Narik yung araw. Okay, go. Medyo mahirap yung bumper niya. No? And that's all for part 2. Stay tuned for part 3. That will be the reveal of our car.